really likes to do this. Go on, Kelly, big kiss right there. Kelly, I said to give me a kiss in the Would you cut down? Stop that! I told you before we came in here, I didn't want to goofing off tonight, okay? I said no goofing off. All right, if you're gonna act like a baby, I'm gonna have to hold you like a baby. Uchi, okay. Macaws are very strong birds. Watch this. It only takes Kelly one nail to support her entire body weight. Are you ready? Just one. Here we go. Here we go. Reach. There we go. All right. Just hanging around, huh, Kelly? Believe it or not, this is somewhat of a natural position for a bird like this. Maybe you have looked at a nature book, perhaps gone online, looked under Rainforest or macaw. You may have seen a bird picture just this way. If they're up in a tree, there's a piece of fruit, a nut, something they can't quite reach. They will drop down on one nail, swing out, and get a hold of it. Oh, and macaws also have a very strong beak. Hey, you, show everybody how strong the beak is. Whoa. As a matter of fact, a full-grown macaw has such a strong beak, they can snap a broom handle right in half with that beak. Very, very strong. And that scares people. When I tell them how strong the beaks are, Kelly and I, we are like best friends. At home we play, we mess around together all the time. I know that Kelly would never, ever bite me, would you? Ow. I just said you don't do that. Ow! You are worse than Magnum. Get our perch back out here. You know, we are a little ways from our home here tonight. We live in a small town called Wapakoneta, Ohio. Little ways from here. We literally travel all over the United States with these guys. We do it because we believe if people see how beautiful they are, also how intelligent they are, people will be more willing, more compelled to do things to help them out in the wild. That's why we do this. Kelly, I'm bragging about you. Would you turn around here, please? Now, are you ready to get to work? I said, are you ready to get to work?